Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making chicken wings in the air fryer. Before we get started, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd like to say welcome and please come back because I'll be posting a lot of good content. And for those of you that are return viewers, welcome back. And please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and share with everyone that you know, as well as leave me some comments down below. I will be uploading videos regularly, so go ahead and click that notification bell in the top right hand corner of the screen so you don't miss out on the videos each time I do upload a new one. Now on to the video. All right, guys, so what I'm about to do now is prepare my seasoned flour. So I don't have that much chicken, so I'm only going to put a cup, or a big overflow cup rather, of flour. Also going to drop some cornstarch, if I can find it. Oh, here it is right here. What the cornstarch does is it makes it crispy. I'll put about 1/4 of a cup of that in there. In my bag. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is my bag. I'll put my flour in. Right here in my paper bag. Also, the Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some Lorry seasoning salt, and some complete seasoning. With the seasoning salt and the Creole seasoning, you want to be careful because both of them have salt in them, and you don't want to over salt the mix. So put about a tablespoon of this complete seasoning in there. About a 1/2 teaspoon of this Tony's, and a 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning salt. About a tablespoon of paprika to give it some color. A teaspoon of onion powder. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. And whatever else seasonings you want to put in there. It's totally up to you. So what I do now is go ahead and shake my bag. Oops. So that I can get the seasonings all mixed up with the flour. Alright, so it's ready to go. Now I have a chicken right here. Where I've washed it. So now what I'm about to do is go ahead and put the seasoning in on it so it can marinate for a little bit. All right, so I have some of the what is that stuff called? It's Cajun Sparkle seasoning, or you can put Creole seasoning in here. I put some mustard and then also some hot sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all that together so it all gets incorporated. This mustard gives it a little twang. The hot sauce gives it a little twang and a little heat, and allows the flour to stick to the chicken. All right, so I got all those coated. I'm only cooking half of this today. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 8 wings. I'm gonna cook 4 today and the rest of them tomorrow. So I'm gonna put these in a bowl and let these continue to marinate overnight. And then I'm gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and dip them in the flour and get them in the air fryer. All right, guys, so I have the Ninja air fryer which I love. I cook everything in here, from wings, chicken legs. I mean, pretty much anything. French fries, baked potatoes are really easy to cook in here. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray the bottom with some non-stick spray so that the chicken doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And you want to make sure that you get your chicken, pack that flour, squeeze that flour onto the chicken when you're putting it in the chicken to batter it up. That's one. Two. Three. And for the last piece. All right, so what I do after I put my chicken in there is I'll either spray it with this non-stick cooking spray. This is a Crisco non-cook butter spray, cooking spray, or olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I bought this for $8. It's called Misto from Big Lots. You put your oil down inside of it, whatever type of oil you like, which in this one is canola oil, not olive oil, but canola oil I have in there. And then it comes with a pump. There's a spray cap, and then this part of the top is a pump, and you just take it and pump it just like that. And what that does is it builds the pressure up in it, and then you just take the spray and it sprays right on like that. However, for this one I'm using the butter flavor spray. I don't want to use the canola oil because I want some flavor. So I spray the chicken. Some people don't do this, but I spray mine until it covers all the flour, so it doesn't look wet. So it doesn't look dry. And that's it. And I'm gonna put my air fryer. Normally you'll cook it on 390 degrees for 22 to 26 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 375, and I'm gonna do it for 12 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back, flip the chicken over, and put it in there for another 10 to 12 minutes. Click start. And that's it, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm back. Look at that chicken. Look at that. Straight up. Let that hang out there for a little bit. I got my wing sauce that I made. I have to put a video up for the recipe, but I'm gonna put this on a couple pieces of the chicken. So instead of me putting it on it, I'm gonna put it in a little dipping bowl, and put it in the microwave to warm it up. I'll be back in just a moment once I plate. All right, guys, so 12 minutes are up. Look at that chicken. Looked like it was fried in some grease. So what I'm gonna do now is flip my chicken over. And as you can see, on a couple pieces of the chicken, there's a little white spot of flour. A lot of times it's probably because I put a lot of flour on it. So just spray those with a little spray. Put it back in here on 375. And I'm gonna try this for 5 minutes first. And I'll be back, guys. I am back. Well, I plated up. Look at that cheese rice. That chicken, look at it, just beautiful. This is it. I'd like to thank you for watching. Oh, one more thing. With my cheese rice, I like to put sugar on it. I guess some people like to do salt and pepper. In the comments, let me know what you guys like. Sugar, or do you like salt and pepper in your rice? But once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Please share it with other people. And also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that each time that I do upload a video, you'll be notified. God bless you and have a good afternoon. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. Please leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought about the video. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with everyone that you know. And don't forget to click that notification bell in the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you'll be notified each time I do upload a new video. You can also find me on other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I also have a Facebook group, Cooking with Gerald. We post recipes and photos of dishes that we've cooked. All of my links to all these platforms are down below. Until next time, stay safe.